Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free and start playing and start advertising for free. Okay, Dragon Quest, I got some really good rentals. Look at this, guys. My rentals is higher even than before when I started. I get like 4 to 5 DEC a victory, and my rentals that in fact I figured out I can rent a couple more cards out later on this afternoon, so I'm getting my rentals covered and increasing my DEC holdings, getting more free SPS. Great strategy. I'm glad I did it. Let's go see the rewards for the day, and I'm pretty much going to stay in uh, gold 3, maybe gold 2, uh, maybe try to jump up into gold 1 for the season. I don't know. Let's see. Potion, card, 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 and a rare. Nice. Oh, and 102 dark energy crystals. That will go into my stockpile. Nice. So I got, let me see, 15 cents roughly, plus probably about a quarter worth of cards, maybe more, maybe 30 cents. Not a bad pull. And of course, it could have been a lot better. Can always be a lot better. So, very good pull day. I love the DC. That's going to be nice. So let's go to my numbers. Or first, let me go show you my rentals for the day. Now, I don't have much time this morning, but this evening I'll battle and get even more DC. Maybe do 20, 25 battles, get up to, or I'll probably get over 14. Plus, I got my rentals. So I'm going to end up with like 1,600 DEC later on today. Okay, rent it to me. And I kind of overdo it on the rentals. Um, I love this guy. I just absolutely love him. I can stick him as a tank and he still kicks ass. But I was using her as a tank. There, of course, this is a very good summoner card with the anti-earthquake wings, I call them. But it also makes a lot of people miss. This is a very good one to have. 1 mana, and it's got a thing and a sneak, which I guess you don't need it if you got magic. But it does. I guess they can shoot whoever they want type thing. Very good. Second reach ability? Love that. 2 attacks. So it's 6 around. Very powerful when I get him in, and he's very powerful when I get him. So on high mana, I was kicking ass. Absolutely demolishing my opponents. Let's go look at. I fought a couple cubes, and this guy had set up his entire. I think it's this one. Chicken. Which one was it? That the guy had nothing but cubes. Let me pause and go find it. All right, here it is. This guy's got Lord Arianathus, and he's the Gelatinous Cube. This is a badass card. I know it is. It's got the healing and the mag. It already starts with 11. And then you got this guy poisoning me. But watch this. And he's got the gold of that. So I didn't think I was going to win this one. See, look at him. Already 12 and 2. Here comes the poison. Just kicking my ass totally. His 2. The return fire really. There he goes. Look at that. Lost his armor up to 15. Both of these have scavenger. Two attacks from this guy. That's all. Yeah, this was a badass lineup. Bye bye. Yeah, see, I'm getting 5.039 on that battle. So, yeah, very, very good lineup. Good rentals. We'll own those cards someday, hopefully. So let's go look at my numbers real quick. Here we are, 524, $10,000 challenge, not sponsored by Splinterlands. Here's my rules. Day 144, and today's the 23rd, so I did not put any money in. I'll put it in after the, after for my free SPS, and that will count for 24th and 25th. So here's my numbers. I'll go slow. You can pause it. And then look at this drop last night. Almost $40. That's how volatile this market is, man. It's insane. 156 cards, 51.95. But look at my new all-time high, 140,245, $102. Free SPS that went down a little bit. So 261 profit after expenses and stuff before taxes, but my DEC is even higher than this now. So the strategy is working out great. I'm accumulating DEC, getting my rentals, renting out, and building my asset value. The exact position you want to be in. Okay, on my card purchases yesterday on my $10 investment, actually it was yesterday. I went a little bit different. I ended up getting 2 gold Gargoyle Lions. I got 2 more to finish a complete max out. But I went after a legendary, the Jin Bijaka, Bilka, whatever. I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Okay, got all that with the $10. Plus had some left over credits. So I'm going to start going after legendaries also, simply because I've got at that time all of the here I am in the shop, right? Where am I at? Card sales market. Let's go max level. And I got it on low mana right now. Okay, there we go. And then let's put it on price. And this is going to show us all the cheapest maxed out reward cards. They probably all are. And except this, well, yeah, I think that's a reward, $8.94. See, I got all these. In fact, I got 2 of some of them, and in some cases 3. So I decided to go. Ooh, boy, look how low she's getting. That would be a nice one to get maxed out. I got 2 of her, and 2 of them. They both dropped down below 10, and I got 1 or 2 of him. So I got 3 of her. So I went after the legendary, and I might go after them for the next week or so and try to build up these guys simply because they've just been so cheap. They're under $2, $1.81. I was getting him yesterday at $1.56, I think, is what I ended up spending. $1.66 and all that. Well, actually, the cheapest one I got was $1.59. Nice. Um, and I've got him maxed out. I've got him maxed out, and I got him maxed out. So I'm going to go after this one, and then I don't think I own any of us Shaunas. If I do, maybe one or two. I've got her maxed out, and then that's the highest one I've got. And just start building some legendaries because you're going to need them. And if I don't have to rent them, that's going to save me a lot of DEC. The the problem with the summoners is, God, you need so many of them on the rares. You can go after a max, but it's like $30 a pop. So my strategy was start accumulating legendaries maxed out while they're low, and if I can get one of each element, I won't have to rent as much out, which will save me even more DC. So, okay, I'm happy with this strategy. Everything's going good. I'm pretty much at a balance that I'm happy with. So let me sum up my strategy because I know I've been babbling and kind of talking to myself, but I'm going to stay in gold 3 because I can stay there naturally. With my rentals, sometimes it might put me up into gold 2. So I really have a choice, but that's where I'm going to stay at. Then as I build my collection and can naturally stay in gold 2, I'll go for gold 1. And then only after I get established for enough in diamond. So it's going to be, 3 or 4 seasons. I could just rush into diamond right now with rentals, but I'd rather do this strategy where I'm accumulating DC and getting my rentals in. And of course, as towards the end of the season, I might lose some DC because it's going to get more expensive. I might try to do more without. I might only rent a tank and a summoner, and that's it, and try to win with that. Because that eyeball, literally, I can win a whole battle on low mana with that guy because he's that good. Even if he can't get a shot in because he's in the first position. So I might just go that route. And even then, I might lose DC because it gets very expensive towards the end of the season. So there's more than one way to skin a cat, right? Anyway, if you haven't, go over to Twitch TV, sign up, follow, watch. You can learn a lot from everybody over there. And the AMA was out last night. There's a lot of YouTubers who did a summary. I listened to it while I was working on some paperwork, and I love what I heard. What I hear, this is basically what I hear every AMA. I hear people talking about trying things, being realistic, and a passion. And they've brought in the guy who made Splinter cards. They were talking to him. He's working on things. So I think it's going in the right direction. Everything's not going to be perfect, especially with all the new stuff coming out. It's maybe won't. It's amazing it runs as smoothly as it does, as far as I'm concerned. But probably going to be some glitches. We're going to have to deal with that. And it's an exciting time. Very exciting time in Splinterlands. If you're getting into the game now, please like and subscribe. Join in the link below. It helps me out. If you're joining now, you're able to get in on some very good, cheap cards, which remember, they're burning them every day. So odds are you're not going to be around. Those cards won't be around that cheap for long. Let's go look at my affiliate program. And I got that one guy, Ronnie 500. Good job. Seems like he's trying to kick ass. Bronze is brutal, especially low-level bronze. So, because you just don't have anything, right? And if you don't want to spend money, I understand, but you might want to rent. But either way, go watch some YouTube videos on how to get out of bronze or what's the best way to get out of bronze, what cards to use, and get your daily rewards if possible. And you can build your asset value that way if you're not inclined to put in any money other than he bought the spell book right there. Right here. Yep. So, okay. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.